All right, so you guys briefly talked about the different types of energy at the beginning of the unit. We're gonna dive deeper into those types of energy. So first, we're gonna talk about light energy. I want everybody to say light energy.
Light energy.
And do the motions, because that'll help you remember. Light energy.
Light energy.
Good. Light energy is an energy that we can see. It is produced from things that create light. Light energy has a special name for the particles in it. You guys remember what particles are?
Yes.
Yeah.
Atoms.
Atoms, very good. All things that have matter have particles or atoms. Light energy has a special type of particle called a photon. Very good. Photon or photons. So I want you guys to take your pencil, find the definition of light energy on your paper, and underline this word, photons. Very good. That'll help you remember. Photons. It kind of sounds like the word photo or photograph. It's the same root word because a photograph captures light. Yes, Holly.
That can help you remember photons because it sounds like a photo, and photos take, sometimes they take light energy.
Exactly. So, light energy is something that we can see. Who can give me an example of light energy? Ivy.
Flashlight.
A flashlight. So I'm going to write my examples up here. Examples. A flashlight. Who can give me another example? Yeah.
A lamp.
A lamp. What's something in the sky that might give light energy? Oh, lots of you know this one. Deacon.
The sun.
The sun. The sun gives off light energy. Name one more.
I know.
Anything that gives off light.
I know. I think electronics.
Electronics, like a phone, a cell phone, can give off light energy. Very good. Again, light energy is something you can see. You can put your hands down. Can I see light through a water bottle?
Yeah.
Like if I'm looking through a clear water bottle, can I see light?
Yeah.
Yeah. If I'm looking through the glass windows, can I see light?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
But it's very bright.
It is very bright. It's hard to look at sometimes. We can see light through materials that are translucent. Translucent means that they are see-through. So you can see light through translucent materials. If I'm laying under the table and I'm looking up at the classroom lights, if they were on, can I see the light if I'm laying under the table?
No.
No. Could I see the lights in Mrs. Ford's room right now?
No.
No, because there's a wall there. You cannot see light through opaque materials. Opaque means you can't see through them. So solid things like wood or the wall. If you're close enough to look through a crayon, you're not going to see light through a crayon. All right. Light energy. Now let's move on to sound energy. Sound energy is caused when a force causes an object or a substance to vibrate. I want you guys to underline the word vibrate in your sound energy definition. Should be the very last word in your sound energy definition. I want you to underline that. Sound energy is produced in waves. So the waves are gonna cause the object or the substance, sometimes it's water, sometimes it's a liquid, to vibrate. And we hear those vibrations. So if we can think of an example of sound energy, something that produces sound energy. Let's see. A speaker, yes. A speaker. What's something else that produces sound energy? Remind me of your name again. Paisley. See, I'm still learning your guys' names. Paisley.
Electronics.
Electronics. Sometimes produce sound energy. They make a sound.
Your voice.
Your voice. I almost called you Karen because of the name tag on your shirt, and that's not your name. I know your name.
It's from tag.
I know. Your voice.
Me?
When you speak, your brain is telling your vocal cords to vibrate in a certain way. That's what makes the sound. Ivy.
Instruments?
Instruments. That's a great example. Okay, put your hands down.
Darn it.
Instruments, especially string instruments. When you pluck a string on a guitar, you're vibrating that string. It's producing sound energy. Very good examples. Those are fantastic examples. So everybody say sound energy.
Sound energy.
Sound energy is something that you can hear. There are some sounds that we cannot hear. Sometimes the vibrations are things that human ears cannot hear. The vibrations might be really, really low or really, really high and out of our hearing range. Other animals might be able to hear them. Sometimes dogs and cats can hear stuff that we can't. And they can hear those sounds, but we might just hear silence. It's really interesting. All right.